If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic. In our previous storytelling episode, we shared the 5-part framework of problem, shift, edge, market, and the roadmap. That foundation gets you investor meetings. Today, we are going a step further because here's what most founders don't realize. Your story isn't just one story. The most sophisticated founders craft a multi-stakeholder narrative that works for different audiences while maintaining consistent positioning. The multi-layered story framework. Your basic story framework works for the initial investor meetings, but as you scale, you need different versions of the same core narrative for different stakeholders. The 3-layer approach. Layer 1, which is the vision story. Layer 2, which is the execution story. And layer 3, which is the momentum story. As an example, let's look at a fintech startup's 3 layers. The vision being that we are rebuilding financial infrastructure for the API economy. The execution being that we are capturing SMB payment processing with 40% better unit economics. And when we're talking about momentum, we are helping local businesses get paid 3x faster. The defensibility integration framework. We'll divide it into 3 parts: within the problem, within the shift, and within the edge. When we're talking about within the problem, it's about don't just describe the pain, explain why the existing solutions fail structurally and not just tactically. When we're talking about within the shift, identify changes that create new competitive advantages, not just new opportunities. And when we're talking about within the edge, show where your advantage compounds over time, not just where you're better today. Let's also talk about the advanced objection handling within the story structure. Most of the founders handle objections reactively during the question and answer session. Advanced founders anticipate and address these objections within their story structure. Let's look at some common objections. The market isn't big enough. The story integration can be within the market section, show adjacent expansion opportunities. We start with X, but this unlocks Y and Z markets as we scale. The common objection to competition is too intense. When we're talking about story integration within the shift section, explain why the timing favors new entrants. The regulatory change in 2024 means that incumbents are stuck with legacy architecture. The common objection 3, execution risk is too high. When we are talking about story integration within the edge section, demonstrate unique capabilities. Our team has already built similar systems, so we know where the others would struggle. Next, let's talk about the narrative evolution across the funding stages. Your story needs to evolve as you move from pre-seed to Series B. And here's how advanced founders manage the narrative progression. The pre-seed story focus, market insight plus founding team credibility. We have discovered something others have missed, emphasis on unique perspective and the ability to execute. The seed story focus, early validation plus scalable approach. Customers confirm our hypothesis and we have proven repeatability. Emphasis on the product market fit signals and growth engine. The Series A story focus. Proven model plus expansion potential. We have cracked the code and are ready to scale predictably. Emphasis on unit economics and adjacent opportunities. Series B plus story focus. Market leadership plus platform potential. We are becoming the standard in our category. Emphasis on competitive modes and ecosystem effects. Now let's talk about the data-driven story enhancement. Sophisticated founders don't just tell stories. They strengthen the narratives with strategic data integration. There are 3 types of story-supported data: market validation, competitive intelligence, and leading indicator data. Don't just present the data. Try to weave it into your story moments. For example, you can say something like, when we interviewed X number of CFOs, they said the same thing what we are proposing. And that's when we realized the shift wasn't just technical, it was cultural. Create a 3-layer story framework: vision, execution, and momentum. Map defensibility elements into each part of your story structure. Next, identify the top 3 likely objections and integrate responses into your narrative. Build your narrative evolution roadmap for the next 3 funding stages. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic.